guys, today we're going to take a look at the fully automated YouTube channel that I put together where I don't have to touch anything and I create a new video every single day and it gets uploaded automatically. I literally touch nothing. Made a video probably a month or so ago about how I created it and showed you just a quick demo, and today we're going to do a follow-up to show you how the channel's been doing. Again, I haven't touched anything on this channel. This is just ran autonomously on a schedule. So you see I have a scheduled task and I have the Python script, and this just runs on its own. It talks to ChatGPT, DALLE, Google Text-to-Speech, and YouTube API and handles the whole process on its own. That being said, is this a money printing machine or was this a total bust? Let's take a look at the channel. So you can see this has been running again for probably a month and a half, something like that, and we've managed to accumulate a whopping 19 subscribers. So, I mean, it could be worse, but we have reached 50 hours of watch time, and I believe we have 4,000 or 5,000 views total. This is 28 days. So let's go back 90 days. You can see it wasn't running back here, but we've got almost 50 hours of watch time. We've got almost 8,000 views, so that's not bad. And we've got 19 total subs. So obviously not a magic money printing machine. Haven't made a dime off it yet, obviously, because I'm not monetized on this channel. I'm far from that. But I did want to share with you guys so you can see what it actually looks like to have a fully automated YouTube channel and what you might expect. So some of these videos did horrible. They got close to no views. This is within the last 48 or first 48 hours, I'm sorry. But some of these actually did get, let me see if I can pull that up for you guys, several hundred views. So like this one got 275, 277, 300. And as you see, every day it creates a video with a brand new animal. They're short, they're a little over a minute each. But yeah, I thought it was an interesting experiment to let this thing run for a month or so and see where we stand. I don't think this would be a good long-term investment, even though from a operational standpoint I'd really have to do nothing. You do have to pay for the API. I think it's about roughly 15 cents for all the API calls for each one of these videos. It varies a little bit, but it's probably average of 15 cents to make a video, and absolutely no work after you get this stood up. Let me know what you guys think, though. I mean, given the growth over the first month and a half, does it make sense to keep running this, or is this just a experiment that went bust and it's something fun to test out, but this isn't going to be anything long-term sustainable from a profitability standpoint? Let me know what you guys think. I'm interested. I'd be willing to share the code with you guys if you're interested. Hit me up. I can throw it on GitHub or something. Again, this was an experiment and a pipe dream, apparently. I was hoping that this would have launched into orbit, so to speak, but I kind of knew it wouldn't. I mean, you look at this channel, and this is one that I put no time into and next to no effort after the Python script was set up. And then you go to a channel where I actually put a lot of work into it on my own, and the difference is night and day. I mean, this has been running a lot longer. My growth may have been similar to the automated channel in the beginning, but I still feel like active work or active income is always going to, for the most part, beat out passive income. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Should we test some more on that automated channel? Should we make some tweaks to see how we can improve it, or is that just a no-go and a bust? Let me know. Again, let me know if you guys are interested in the code. I can put it on GitHub. Maybe we can collaborate on improving it, or yeah, just let me know your thoughts in general on it, guys. Alright, just wanted to make a quick update video to show you the results of the fully automated YouTube channel that I created. Hope you all are doing great and having a nice holiday season. Hopefully you have some time off. And hope you guys all take care and have a great day. Until the next one, take care, guys.